more sounds.
Listen.
I see more friends.
Look. Let's meet some more animals today. F-G-H-I-J. Let's go.
F, frog hop, 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 green and slippery, jumping so high, catching a little buzzy fly.
Ribbit, ribbit.
G, giraffe, stretch, stretch, stretch a neck so long, reaching for the trees, feeling the tickle of the summer breeze.
Way up there.
H, hippo, splash, 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 big round tummy, swimming in the pool, opening his mouth to stay nice and cool. I, iguana, sit, 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 a long green tail and scaly skin, sunbathe on a branch with a little grin.
Stay very still.
JJ, jellyfish, jiggle, 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 floating in the ocean, clear and blue, wobbling around and looking at you. Wobble, wobble, frog goes hop, hop, giraffe is tall, stretch, hippo goes splash, splash, iguana is still, shh, jellyfish jiggles, wobble. FGHIJ, animal friends all day. So many friends to see. Which one was your favorite? See you next time.